Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by readying both camera and computer so tethering doesn't stall. Connect the camera with a reliable USB or Tether cable. Make sure the camera firmware and Lightroom Classic are updated. Once connected, disable camera autosleep and set USB mode to PC or tethering. This prevents dropped sessions. You do this now because a stable link avoids import errors and missed shots, and it makes the next steps, establishing a session and confirming controls, smooth and predictable. You'll now initiate the tethered capture so images appear directly in Lightroom. From the library module, choose File, Tethered Capture, Start Tethered Capture, enter a session name and pick the destination folder and naming template. Make sure metadata and develop presets are assigned to speed workflow. Once done, test a single frame to confirm transfer, exposure preview, and that Lightroom can trigger the shutter. This step centralizes files and gives immediate feedback, so you can refine lighting or composition. You'll wrap up by cleanly ending the session and resolving any hiccups. Stop tethered capture in Lightroom before unplugging the camera, then copy or back up the session folder immediately. If transfers fail mid-shoot, first check the cable and camera USB mode, then confirm Lightroom has camera access. Sometimes restarting Lightroom or switching USB ports fixes it. If problems persist, try a different cable or update drivers. This ensures your files are safe and future sessions run without interruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.